Okay, so I've been pumping through with the flat pipe there, through onto underneath this rake roof, and they've got the rolled blanket there, and so I've just lifted this sheet here, and you can see that actually underneath this sheet it's all packed down nice and tight on top of the fiberglass. So this is how much extra insulation you actually get on top of your glass. Right, see, there's a glass wall down there. Right, that's the fiberglass insulation, and so even with it like this, we can still pump a fair bit onto the top of the fiberglass. Obviously, where the battens are, it's not going to pump much through because the battens are right there. But in the rest of the roof, we can pack it in a fair bit. So that'll increase the R value dramatically on this roof.